Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for a Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis, starting on here on the 1 hour chart for the intraday and the 15-minute chart as well, of course, to see what happened for Bitcoin, what it might happen next, of course. And as you can see, we saw some green today, and now directly we are see, of course, a move toward the downside after having here kind of like a zigzag, almost reaching the 1-to-1 fib level, as you can see, taken from this wave A B and a C for a wave E. Of course, in our triangle we have A B C D and a E, and we're looking for a lower potentially, of course, after finishing a wave B here. And potentially this move has started already from now. As you can see, we don't have any kind of impulsive wave. It's very choppy, very overlapping, and of course, yeah, still potentially moving toward the downside. Now, what are the potential that we are still looking for higher? Well, yeah, the potential for higher are, of course, 3 ways up, 3 ways down, and then one more wave toward the upside. Potentially, you want to break at least this area in the top here to invalidate your triangle, but very low possibility, of course. Currently we're still, of course, very bearish. We're looking for this move toward the downside. In case, of course, we continue for higher here somehow in 3 wave with a wave C, of course, and then we are definitely still looking for this 1-to-1 fib level, which is as well bearish after hitting it, because you are in 3 wave zigzag already corrective. If you are here in kind of like ABC and you start a 1 2 3 4 and a 5 for a wave C, yeah, meaning of course definitely this is your target, or it can be somehow like this in a flat or a zigzag, of course, to reach a little bit higher or take the high. Yeah, don't forget that the invalidation of this triangle in case we move for higher, but obviously that we are moving a little bit more down right now. So invalidation of triangle, yeah, so meaning if you take this one, if you take this price, you might seek a little bit for higher. You might move to the next box here. If we take only the 92k 900, but currently, of course, we're moving to the downside, guys. Potentially our targets on the 1 hour chart here are, of course, the following. We are continuing the downtrend, the big downtrend from the top here as WXY for wave A, triangle A B C D E for your wave B, and then 1 2 3 4 5 toward the downside, hitting the 1-to-1 fib level, taken of course from this wave A to the wave B. I think we need to adjust right now with the wave B has finished almost here. So basically we might even dive a little bit deeper this time. Yeah, the target might change here. We might see a 65k, yeah, which is of course our perfect target, by the way. Yeah, our perfect target for a bull run, guys. Don't forget that we have mentioned, of course, a bull run might take some time. However, we have seen, of course, already this choppiness, but we might see even more choppiness in the down before moving bullish. It might be like a bullish choppiness, yeah, somehow like this, like 1 2s 1 2 1 2 1 2, and then moving toward the upside. So we're gonna see how the things are going to unfold, but higher potential still, of course, for the bearish, and we might move for a wave C from today. Of course, don't forget this is a weekend, and the weekend is a very lazy. It might be boring, of course, but we're gonna see. Don't forget as well, we have some news for 07 March, which is today. In few hours, 2 hours from now, we're gonna have a speech for the Fed, and this might, of course, make some volatility, and it might, of course, trigger our move toward the downside or toward the upside for this box. Don't forget it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.